Something to make boys cooler?
Yeah, something to make me cooler?
It's an old video game on an old console. Mouse, where'd you get that thing? Ancient Egypt.
Just you watch. This is a special game called Blockbuster 3000!
You said special when I think you meant to say garbagey.
Blockbuster 3000? Is 3000 the number of people who went brain dead playing this dumb thing?
Enough! Your snarky attitudes are proving exactly why I got this. This game can only be won by teamwork, which this family needs to learn more of. I love you guys, but I hate all of our fighting.
Why would I want to win a game that looks like it was programmed by a baby crawling over a keyboard?
Just try it!
Oh, wow, awesome, great, fun.
So exciting! Yay! Bad, but kind of addictive.
Oh, yeah, kind of is.
What?
Yeah, not so bad.
Yeah, it actually is kind of fun.